So my name is Anshul Sinha. I am from India and I stay in Hyderabad city. And I am into filmmaking from past 6 years. I have participated in more than 1,000 film festivals all over the world, and for which I have received 130 awards in all the some of the major film festivals in the world.
So I want to ask you actually, so why did you come up with this idea of this short movie this year?
So I was doing a film for one of my clients, and then I keep on regularly make films on sustainable development goals, which has been decided by UN. So education is one of the most important topic which whole world is facing currently right now. So when I started doing research work, I wanted to find out that who were those people who are getting trapped. And the main aim of education is to come to bring out from the darkness. If you are educated, then you can survive on your own. You can learn new skill sets. This is what education do for you. So this is the beauty of education. Once you are educated, then you can survive on your own. So when I was developing this concept, I found out that there are certain age group of girls. This film on child marriage, and when I went through UNICEF website, I found out that today at present also every one girl out of five is being getting child married. It's not about India; it's about all over the world.
Yeah, true,
And
because it's
then
not just in India problem, like this
yes,
marriage and like they are
yes,
already
and then
said, yeah.
yeah. And then I was currently before the interview, I was just reading the statistics, and I found that by 2030, almost all 12 million girls will be getting child marriage. So it's a very important issue which needs to be addressed globally. And then I thought, let's come up with a 1 minute film because these days uh, audience are consuming huge amount of content digitally, and then the biggest competition is that how in a limited time span you can communicate your message and then it can reach to million people all over the world. So I thought that I will make a 1 minute film which is not uh, which is not lengthy, and then people can easily understand this. And the main audience, the reason why I have made this film is that I have made this film for those girls who are trapped in this child marriage.
Yes.
If they watch this 1 minute film, all those girls, if they watch this 1 minute film and they understand the meaning of education, then instead of running away from the problem, they will start learning. They will join the school or they will force their parents that they want to go to school. So, and then they will understand the meaning of education and they can come out from the trap of child marriage. So, this is the reason why I made this film. I wanted to bring that difference in all the girls who are getting trapped into that child marriage. And as an artist, I'm making an effort to bring them out from that trap.
Actually, I was thinking since your topic is, like related to the education, and that's the main message that you want to spread. We have a jury of 5,000 youth, so they are, like now improving their skills, they are knowing better themselves. So that's maybe it fits like your topic fits very like into our with the jury and the festival and everything. So that's why I want to ask you, what do you expect from them? Like, what do you think that like how actually do you think that your movie can influence their education and the different system?
The difference which my film will create all over the world or with the 5,000 youngsters also is that they will understand the meaning of education. They will understand that once they have a knowledge, then they can question to the world. And if you are educated, then you know then you know the reasoning part. You come to identify that when to say no or when to say yes. This is what education does. It helps you in understanding the concepts. It helps you in understanding the problems. It helps you in understanding the crisis and situation.
True. I
As
mean,
this,
it gives you a different perspective, no, of life and in general how, you know, like to approach things in different way, of course. What's the difference? Like, why is, if there is any meaning behind that, I don't know, the girl very, like, well educated while the boy is not, like, because she knows the alphabet, so she can, you know, like during the short movie she can tell it, but how come that he doesn't know, you know, like he's not as much educated as she has, like she is.
this girl, when she wanted to come out from that trap, she wanted to tell that there is something unique which that guy doesn't have.
Yeah.
The boy who came to watch that girl, he is not having that skill set. And this is what makes her different from that guy. And then when that antagonist family, when they watch that this protagonist is much more smarter than that guy,
Yeah.
then they realize that our ego has been hurt now, and we cannot let my kid married to that. So this is where the difference got created, and she came out from that trap.
So, like, is there a difference of backgrounds as well, like with family, you know, like difference between their families, or like, is there very common, like, is it very common in India?
No, this is not common in India. It's just that when people take advantage when they don't have a knowledge. So this is what as a filmmaker, whenever we write a screenplay, we make a uh, uh, it's a battle between literate and illiterate. So the guy's family, they are illiterate, and the girl who is about to get married, she is literate. So this is a battle between two ideologies, between illiterates and illiterates, and it can be anywhere in the world.
Ah, okay. So it can be any level. It can be like boy, girls. It
Yes,
doesn't matter.
yes.
Okay. And how do you think your movie could in any way contribute like to, you know, make a change in this society?
Yeah. So when I was making a film, I was just thinking about those girls who are being trapped into it. And when I started doing research work, and I found out that most of the girls who are getting married at that young age are uneducated, and due to that uneducation, uh, their parents are forcing them to get married. So I found that these are the girls who badly need education and they have to come out from the trap. So, and in the film, I cannot make it that they are learning these many things. I was having a very limited time span. Only 60 seconds I wanted to communicate it, so that this film becomes like a medicine to all the girls who's being trapped into that child. So I thought that I'll make it a basic film, so that even a 10-year-old girl can understand my film. A 8-year girl can also understand my film, because that is my target audience. I can't use heavy words or heavy language in my film. Even a 7-year girls, they watch my film and they will understand. At least if I can learn ABCD, if I am able to communicate what I want to be in my life, then I can come out from that dream. So keeping those age group in the mind, I came up with this concept.
Actually, it is nice that you had a different perspective yourself. Like, you know, I mean, I gather you traveled a lot, so that's it gives you a different, you know, like way to think and way to look at things in general, like in life. And that's good. That's why you came up with this amazing topic, and I'm very glad you're participating with us, actually. Is there something else that you want to add? Is something that you want to share with us about your short movie or?
Before doing the shoot, and then we made sure that the girl who is playing that role, she should be acting, the performance should be happening from her eyes. So
Yes.
and then we started the film with a close-up shot.
Ah.
So it was a tight close-up shot where with full attitude, because that is the one, she has only one option and she has only one chance to get out from that track, and from there the film begins. So I wanted to start this film as late as possible so that this girl is about to get trapped and she has only one step. And if that one step goes wrong, her life is destroyed. She will be getting married.
Yes.
So she has, and then as a writer, I made sure that one step which she will take, that becomes an example for all the girls all over the world who
Yeah,
is
like
even getting married.
your short movie is a sample for all over the world, not just like for what's going on, like for example in India or in other countries, for all over the world. And that's interesting, actually helpful, like in general.
Correct.
That's why I was curious, to understand
Yes.
your point of view and your idea about.
I would like to thank to the film festival for selecting my film, and also would like to thank to give me this opportunity to speak about my film. And I'm a regular participant in most of the film festivals all across the world, and rarely as a director we get an opportunity to speak. So this
Yeah.
is one of the best opportunities you have created for
Actually,
the
I'm so glad
director.
you participated. You should like just keep going because those topics are very delicate. So just like work on them and keep
Yes.
sharing and yeah.
So my aim is that only, to keep on regularly making films on the issues which the whole world is going through.
Keep going. Thank you so much again for your participation.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.